Taking your car maintenance project on your own may save you from emptying the bank. However, choosing the wrong tool for the job can lead to disaster. So lean back and see some coolest tools and equipment for auto repair shop. This orange guy might have a confusing look, but this is the essential tool that every gadget junkie or mechanic will love at first glance. Let's see how it works. This tool simply keeps all your needed things near your fingertips. It's a flexible, non-slip tool tray that holds a variety of tools at extreme angles on any surface of your workshop. Plus, the Grypmat comprises 6 compartments that will keep your hardware well organized within arm's reach. Plus, it is a chemical-resistant, anti-static rubber tool mat, meaning you don't worry much about its longevity. No wonder you've got your best buddy for the workshops. We know tire lifting or shifting by bare hand is how annoying and laborious. This is why this ergonomic wheel trolley comes into the field and saves your day. It's an elevated trolley that perfectly adjusts the height of your wheels in relation to the load. It's designed for 4 wheels and has a great capacity to move them safely. This wheel trolley stands by your side when mounting and dismounting wheels while making an ergonomic connection to the tire changer. Now you can improve your work environment considerably, especially when dealing with big bulky tires. Small investment, yet a good profit. When it comes to lifting your favorite car, will you ever rely on a flimsy tool? If not, then look at this Esco bladder jack. This will be a great addition to any automotive workshop and a mobile service technician who regularly deals with sedan, SUV, or light truck applications. You'll no longer have to seek a safe and fast solution for any lifting task. Thanks to the dual safety valve of the Esco, it prevents both overinflation and uncontrolled descent of the jack under load. So lift your car with ultimate safety and unmatched precision. Here's another lifter on the list, but this is not for cars. It's for motorcycles. This is the OEMTOOLS Air Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift, a perfect tool to handle all kinds of bike repairing and maintenance tasks. It has a long 12-gauge powder-coated plate deck that supports up to 1,000 pounds, meaning you don't have to worry about pressures. And the heavy-duty positive stop padded front wheel clamp holds your bike in place, so it will be in safe hands during the whole action. With an included removable ramp for loading and unloading, as well as a rear wheel dropout panel, it outshines the best friend of a biker. The next thing you see here is the Bendit. This grape bending machine boasts a unique pneumatic impact hammer with different slip-on pillows to perfectly handle all the sheet bending applications on cars. With the innovative relevance of this system, the Bendit picks up the slack due to its easy and fast usage. Want to know a cool part? You don't have to spend big expenditures of energy while bending a sheet because it allows you to do that in minutes. It's totally a cost-effective and labor-saving way to handle tough tasks. Bend it in your own way. This is the TigerTool 10205 Automotive C-Frame Socket Press, an ultimate automotive press used for various removal and installation jobs on the driveline and non-driveline related parts. You can use this tool with different size sockets on virtually all cars, ATVs, light-duty trucks, and farm machinery. Whether you encounter some general clamping or pressing task, this socket press also has some flat anvils that can be installed on either side. With great capacity, hardened steel construction, and rigid C-frame, this TigerTool socket press withstands toughness and lasts long. After a long rainy day, your car needs to be washed immediately, but maybe you won't want to do that with your bare hands. Grab this Bosch Polisher GPO 950 and get the car fully polished in mere time. It's designed for all and dedicated to the pros. You can easily set up the tool by installing sticky pads with some simple steps. It offers powerful polishing, fatigue-free usage, and maintenance precision for all applications. This GPO 950 comes with a lamb wool bonnet for rough polishing and a polishing sponge for refined polishing, so you no longer have to run for the workshops to get your car looked shiny again. We know you've wasted hours of time with measurements or precise placement of glass before. Those days are gone. Now you can install a windshield on your own without any alignment. Yep, this Sidekick Glass Setting Kit lets you cover up the whole project in a simple process. At first, start on the opposite side of the vehicle from where you prefer to set the glass and install the Sidekick base and upper vacuum cups to the vehicle. After that, reach across the vehicle. Set the glass on the base vacuum cup's arm, then lower it down onto the upper vacuum cup's arm and proceed to set your side. Oh, you could walk to the other side of the vehicle while lifting the glass. Critical tasks, easy solution. Now this is something you'll definitely strive to get if you're a car owner or maintainer. This is the Matco Underhood Light with aluminum extruded body and expandable length. Now you'll get 3 different modes that will illuminate your work area in the way you want. And the fun part begins when you can title each light at up to a 40-degree angle. It'll surprise you with unmatched runtime and the brightest illumination. Just attach it to the needed surface, set it, and go. Let's wrap up the list with the Tread Reader Handheld. You may get confused at first glance. Well, it's a great measurement device for easy and straightforward scanning of detailed tread depth and tire wear analysis for all vehicle types. All your tires can be scanned at once, regardless of their width. Make sure you scan at the 5 or 7 o'clock position. However, this tread reader lets you complete all 4 tire scanning and allows you to connect the tread reader with your smartphone, providing all the data over Wi-Fi. You might not have known there was such an easy way, do you? So, that was the list of the coolest tools and equipment for an auto repair shop. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.